Hey, what's going on, folks? Today we got a quickie, and by quickie I mean a very quick assembly. We're doing just a basic platform bed. Customer purchased it from Wayfair, and so I've literally done this one hundreds of times, right? I could probably put it together without even looking at the instructions. I don't really like to do that at all. You know, just glance over the directions and then from there I'll, put the whole thing together. But anyway, I'm gonna get in here, get this done. Not much stuff I'm gonna need, just regular toolbox. I don't even need to bring my table. But anyway, let me get up in here and bang out this assembly. On site. So wet and sticky right now, but hey, the job must be done. Rain isn't bad though, kind of washes the earth. Let's get inside here. Arian?
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going, man?
How's it going?
Nice. So you got a platform bed to assemble?
Yep.
Got it. What you been sleeping on?
Huh?
What have you been sleeping on?
Mattress pad.
Oh, okay.
I had in my previous dorm room.
Gotcha. Alright, so one sec. I'm just gonna put on my safety gear just to make sure. Oh, it's a nice little pad for you, man.
Yeah, it is.
It's nice. Alright, so where do you want the headboard to go?
So I wanted it on this wall.
This back wall right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, so
Got it. Seemed like a nice kid from Dubai. Done. Nice basic platform bed, but the customer actually just let me know that they actually have another 5-piece dining set that they need to have assembled. So I'm gonna go out there and bang that one out. I'm sure it's gonna be simple for me, but I'll show you guys what it is and how I set it up. Okay, Arian. Hey, your bed's all set.
So the dining table is right here actually.
Okay. And you want me to just assemble it while it's right out here?
If you do the living room, that'd be nice. It's this and this.
The living room is this way?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just clear the way so we can move it.
Right here.
Just right here? Okay, great. Yeah, I'll assemble it here and then we can place it down. Alright, so
Thank you so much.
yeah, alright, so I'll just give you a shout once this is all done. This shouldn't take me too long, maybe same time, 45 minutes, maybe.
Sure, perfect.
Okay?
Sounds good.
Alright, man. This table is built, but it's still a little rocky, right? So watch. See how it has that wobble? So what I have to do is go underneath and find the levelers. See how that's not touching? Now if I spin that, now you can see that's level. And then this one right here as well. Table's all set. Now I just gotta assemble the chairs. Okay, so everything is almost set.
Okay.
Now, these chairs, if you notice these ones, these are perfectly flat, there's no wobble in it. But this particular chair, I'm not exactly sure why. The way that they're attached to why these bolts down here. So usually when you're putting chairs together, in order to avoid it being wobbly, when I was attaching it, obviously the seat was upside down, but you're not supposed to tighten it until it's on the ground like this. And one method that I use to make sure that it's level with the ground first before you tighten is you just put something on top of the furniture. You take a heavier object, and you place it on top of it. That way this pressure is pushing all the legs to the ground.
And then you do it. Right?
Okay, so now even with this, there's still a slight wobble.
Yeah,
You see that?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now try and just tighten it.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's not going to tighten the entire way, but so you see how this seat is still wobbly? Yeah, so that's just more of a manufacturer defect. So all you need to do is go to like a hardware store, anywhere that's around here, maybe True Value or Home Depot or any hardware store. And what you're gonna want to pick up is small pads. Have you seen those furniture pads?
Yeah.
They're small, you rip the back off and it's sticky.
Right.
And you can put it on the leg that is wobbly.
I just go to Amazon right now.
Besides that, that's it. I'm just gonna pack up.
Sure.
And then I'll be on my way.
Thank you so much.
Okay? All right, guys, assembly done. So I hope you guys learned a little something. A quick tip there, if you're ever trying to assemble some chairs and you want to avoid any of the chairs being wobbly on the ground, you literally just finger tighten the screws that are attaching the legs to the seat. You place it on its legs, put a heavy object on top of it. That way all the legs are going to be touching the ground, and then you can tighten everything. And in the rare case that you still can't get it to be flat, you just buy some, furniture pads and put underneath the leg that needs to have the support. But basically, that's it. I know you guys probably missed this other part of the conversation. He has a desk, computer desk, chairs, and a dresser coming, and so he asked us to give him a quote, so I just sent him to our website to submit all the information he needs. So good chance that we will be back, but I hope you guys learned a little something from this. Now it's time to go back outside into the drippy and dreary wet weather. All the students are moving in, that's why they have all the pads on the elevator, because they don't want to mess up the elevator. Still a little dreary. So this street that we're on, South Huntington, is one of the busiest streets in all of Boston. We got the hospitals back there. We got Northeastern University down the street and around the corner, and the rest of the historic Boston. There's a lot of history with this city. Some good, some bad, some ugly, some pretty, but it makes Boston, Boston. But anyway, I'd say it was a pretty good assembly. I came out with more money than I was expecting. So before I go, I'm actually looking for a trash can so I can dump all my gloves and shoe booties and stuff like that. But here's a quick tip. If you're in the service industry, regardless of the service you provide, and there is a website or open marketplace where you typically can get leads from, your customers are buying your service from. Let's say, for example, Amazon. Amazon has a home services platform, and when a customer is ready to check out, Amazon says, hey, if you would like someone to assemble this for you, we have someone in your area and this is how much it costs. So usually when customers are booking through our website and they copy and paste the link to their product in our form, we can see on Amazon how much Amazon is charging for that service. So we know the type of discount to give them. And the same thing happens for any other platform that now offers home services. A lot more online retailers like Wayfair, Amazon, Walmart, Target. Essentially anyone who's selling furniture, they're now starting to create their own home services platforms with their own prices for furniture assembly, except they just outsource companies like Prime Spaces, our company, to do the assembly. So when they're coming directly to our website, we have the upper advantage because we ask them, hey, let me see the items that you're talking about. And if it brings us to a website that has our own home services platform, I know what not to charge them. So for example, the last customer that I just serviced, his name is Aryan. He's a Northeastern University student. He already told me that he has items that are coming from Wayfair and that Wayfair has the price. And so I agreed. I said, hey, if you send us the links, we'll give you a better deal than Wayfair. So small businesses, you got to think smarter. Small businesses, you got to be innovative. Small businesses, you got to get in where you fit in. And you got to use the tools and resources that you have available to you to your advantage. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this assembly. I hope you guys learned a little something about assembling, how to avoid wobbliness in the chair. But make sure you subscribe to this channel. It's the best way that I know to continue to make these videos. I hope I'm bringing some sort of value, and that value can be, you know, entertainment, furniture being assembled. It could be you learning a tip. It could just be just seeing the day in the life of someone who does furniture assembly for a living and has a company that's doing it. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, and I will check you guys on the next video. Peace.